Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, this video, Floral Snips. A friend of mine asked me if I would clean these up for her, and you know, I can't say no to a rusted tool, so let's get after it. Well, that turned out better than I thought it would. You know, I didn't get too aggressive with the pitting and stuff that was on here. I just wanted it to work well. I didn't want to mess anything up or go too far. You know, if it was mine and it didn't belong to someone else, I could always just, I can push it too far and whatever, I can always throw it away if I want to. But I was really surprised at how well that paint did on these handles, you know, the faded handles. So I'm curious as to how well it'll hold up, but it sure looks good. So anyhow, that's it. I appreciate you watching. See you next time. Bye.